In a recent YouTube video which I produced, I said that we want to stay grounded with regards to expectations for DBS, OCBC, and UOB. I will leave a link to the video in the description below. In an analysis, DBS downgraded OCBC. DBS says that OCBC earnings may have peaked after benefiting significantly from the enhancement of its franchise value after it acquired Wingheng Bank in 2014. Greater China continues to be the focus for OCBC as a key market outside of Singapore. Greater China market contributes around 15% to the group's income in 2022. OCBC aims to capture rising Asian wealth and to support increasing flows between China and Hong Kong as well as between Southeast Asia and China. Just like it is the case for DBS and UOB, as the US Fed rate comes close to its peak in this cycle, there will be limited upside to net interest margin for OCBC. This is very real as funding costs continue to grow, which will squeeze net interest margin. OCBC is likely to see muted loan growth in Q1 2023 as Q4 2022 already saw a decline of 3%, quarter-on-quarter. OCBC also saw unrealized losses at Great Eastern Life due to the yield curve inversion, and the yield curve is still inverted. This means longer duration investment-grade bonds are held at a paper loss. Downside risks are net interest margin squeeze, negative loan growth as well as rising asset quality deterioration. In another recent video I produced, I covered rising bankruptcies amid higher distress amongst borrowers and assets going under the hammer. I will leave a link to the video in the description below. Still, the sky is not falling. OCBC has strong provision buffer of 114% and potential excess capital of around $5 billion. DBS has a target price of $13 per share for OCBC. When readers asked me if I would be adding to my investment in OCBC, I said that the last time I nibbled at OCBC was in middle of March at under $12 a share. As my investment in OCBC is already one of my largest investments, I am in no hurry to add and would wait for a market correction before increasing exposure again. My plan to only nibble at OCBC again at $12 a share is where I find immediate support in its chart. Fundamentally, $12 is also the net asset value of OCBC on a per-share basis.